Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to update IntelliJ IDEA to the latest version. So let's get started. First thing, to the top you'll be having this main menu. Click here, and at the top you're also going to have the help option. Here you'll be having check for updates. Click it and it will check for updates, and as you can see here it says update available. Just click on update, and here it will show us the improvements over here, and just click on update and restart and click on update. So this will take some time, just be patient. Here it is asking us to restart. Click it. So now after updating, if I go to help and check for updates, here you can see I'm having the latest version. So that's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.